Number 1, ride. I will ride on a train this weekend. Ride. Number 2, mine. Hey, give that back. That toy is mine. Mine. Number 3, white. I saw a white bunny rabbit hopping through the forest. White. Number 4, smile. In Annie, she sings a song that says, "You're never fully dressed without a smile." Smile. Number 5, bike. If I finish my homework, my mom says I can ride my bike around the neighborhood. Bike. Number 6, time. Time flies when you're having fun. Time. Number 7, life. In my life, I have been to the beach 5 times. Life. Number 8, hide. Did you hide the remote? I can't find it. Hide. Number 9, kite. I want to fly a kite in the park. Kite. Number 10, shine. I love when I feel the sun shine on my face. Shine. Number 1, ride. 2, mine. White. 4, smile. 5, bike. 6, time. 7, life. 8, hide. 9, kite. 10, shine.